Welcome to COMM 231, assignment number 8. We're going to work with Dreamweaver today using all the things that we did so far to put all of it together as a drive that can work on Dreamweaver. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to the folder that we created last time. We're going to open it. And what we can see is that we have the structure, that we have the flowchart, and then we have the pictures, we have the resume in a PDF file, and also all the pictures are in JPEG, very important. Video, we don't have a video here yet. So we're going to open the flowchart and look at it. And this is the flowchart that I made. So the flowchart kind of shows what is my plan to do, and I'm going to go accordingly. So the home is the page itself, and then I have links to About Me with the resume and social networks, the video, and then the 3 pictures. So I'm going to go and start to Dreamweaver, and if you don't have it on the desktop like I have, you would go to the Launchpad and then find it here as Dreamweaver. So you would get the one of the first welcome pages, and then we're going to do a HTML document. So you just go to the HTML document and click on it. Then you would get to this kind of window. We go to HTML, and here we're going to write homepage HTML5 and then create. So what we see now is the platform that we're going to work on. So we want to just adjust to make sure we have the things that we want to have. So here we're going to do split so that we have here the design place, and here we're going to have the code. We can decide to have just the code or to have it split. So we want to have it split, and we want to make sure that we're not on live, we're on design. So make sure that you're on design and on split on this window. And then here we're going to insert. That's going to be the one we're going to work on, and especially we're going to work with the hyperlink and the header. Those are the 2 that we're going to work within today. So what I do now is I'm going to start and I'm going to click on the header. And then here I'm going to make sure to put before the end of tag to make it the last one, since we don't have anything that's going to be the first one, but we're going to see the content here. And so that's what is going to be seen there. So I'm going to start with going again to the flowchart and see what was the name that I wanted, and the first one was About Me. So I'm going to write. And you see that as I write up, it also writes it down here in the code. But I'm going to look here. So About Me is the header, but then I want, as you see, to put the resume and the links to all the social networks. So About Me, I'm going to click Enter or Return. And then here I want to put my resume. In order to do that, I need to put a hyperlink. So the hyperlink is here, and link it to any document that I'm interested in. So I'm going to click on hyperlink, and then the text that is going to appear is resume. I'm going to put the title here as well. And then the link should be the link in the folder. So I'm going to go here, and it needs to be in the folder because this is the folder that later on we're going to see in the a file that you're gonna compress and send it to me. So this is the Dreamweaver file, and the resume is here and should be in PDF, not Word, not InDesign document, PDF. So make sure that this is the file, and then I open it. Yes, you can see here that the document here is connected, and this is exactly what I wanted. It's in the desktop, in my file, under resume, and with my name. So I'm doing OK. And here I have the link. And then I go on. So I do return or enter. and then I do hyperlink, and now I wanted the social networks. So for example, I'm gonna put Twitter. Now you don't have to have social network, you can have any link that you want. So I'm going to Safari, where I posted the link, and this is my Twitter. Make sure that it's the page itself. You click on your name and then you have the actual link to your page and not your account. So this is how it should look like. I'm doing copy, and then I'm coming here, and here in the link, instead of like before going to the folder, I'm just doing paste, and I have the link to the internet. So I'm going to do the same thing with Instagram, and I'm going to go to hyperlink, and I'm going to write Instagram, and then I'm going to go back here, this time to Instagram, and I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to put it here. Now, you can choose to put a link to something else and not a social network if you don't have. So for example, I'm gonna put a hyperlink to CCSU, so workplace CCSU, and I can copy it and put it here. And so I have the link here to CCSU. I'm just copying and pasting here. So the third one, you need only 3. You can have more if you want. So I'll have the resume, Twitter, Instagram, and my working place. So this is the About Me section. Now to do the section of the pictures, I'm going to go to the header. I'm going to click on it, and again do the last one before, and it's going to appear here. And now I'm writing pictures, and this is my header. And so I click down, and I'm starting to hyperlink. So the same way, I click on hyperlink, and profile picture. Again, I'm copy pasting, and then here I'm clicking on the folder, and I'm going to pick, and I'm finding the profile picture, not the thumbnail, but actually the profile picture, and I'm opening it, and I'm writing OK. Here we have it, and then again enter or return, hyperlink, and then I have the background picture. So finding the background picture, this is the background picture, and OK. Then again I'm doing here hyperlink, and then I have the close-up OCU picture. So here I have all of that. Now the last thing is the video. So I'm going to the header, again the last one here, and I'm writing video. Now the video is going to be the last 2 assignment, but for now I just want to see that you know how to embed a video in your page. So we're going to do enter or return, and here in this section we're going to go for YouTube or Vimeo, and then there we're going to find a video that we like. So I like the one of Sesame Street, and we're going to go to share, going to go to embed, and here we have a whole code, so make sure you highlight everything here, don't miss anything, and then copy. Now we're going to go back to Dreamweaver, and here we're going to go to the code. Now if you can see here, when I'm highlighting here, you see here in the code on 24 it's here. Now instead of this thing, but make sure that you're highlighting exactly between here, we're going to do paste, and we're going to have the line of the code, which will appear as the video. Now I'm going to click on something else here, and then we'll see a gray kind of box, which would be the actual video. So I'm done here making all of that, but I want to see that it actually works. So in a way to test that, we're going to go down here to the globe, click on it, and I can choose which browser I want to see it. So I'm going to try in Safari, but you can do anything else. Oh, they want me to save. So I'm going to save it as my last name. And I'm going to save it, very important, in the same document, in the same folder that I saved before. So I'm going to my desktop, and then in the desktop I'm going to save it in the folder. So now we can see this is what I created actually. So I have about me, have the resume, I have pictures, I have here the 3 pictures and the video itself. So the video, I can see that it is embedded in here. But to see that everything works, so the resume, I'm clicking, and here I have my resume. I'm going back, Twitter, yes, it works. So I'm checking each one of those. Instagram, yes. Workplace, CCSU, yes. Profile picture, works. Background picture, works. Close-up picture, works. So everything works. Now the issue is, so I'm done with Dreamweaver. I can, since I saved, I can save again and see that it is in the file, and I need to make sure that it's in the file. So I'm saving it, update links, yes. Now I can close Dreamweaver and my flowchart, and here I have, so it's important to have this file in it. And now that I know that everything is here, and making sure that it's not outside, like here I saved as, but I can put it here, replacing it. I'm compressing, and then I have it as a zip file, and this is the file that you're going to send me with everything in it. So I hope it was helpful. Let me know, email me if you have any questions.